Get ready to witness the future of smartphones because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to change everything you know about flagship devices. With new leaks and hands-on previews creating a buzz, this phone is poised to dominate 2025. From its groundbreaking design to its jaw-dropping performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a masterpiece of innovation that promises to redefine expectations. Leaked hands-on videos reveal that Samsung has nailed ergonomics this time, featuring rounded corners and a subtly curved back for a more comfortable grip. At the same time, the flat front design exudes a modern, sleek aesthetic that's hard to ignore. And when it comes to colors, Samsung has outdone itself with classic options like titanium black, blue, gold, and silver, alongside rumored online exclusives such as titanium jade green and pink gold. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse. For the first time, Samsung's flagship series globally ditches Exynos processors in favor of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This cutting-edge chip promises laptop-level performance with a 20% boost in speed and unparalleled energy efficiency, making multitasking, gaming, and even professional workflows smoother than ever. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, rumored to debut soon, could take things even further, paving the way for next-gen devices. But with all this power, there's a question. Could the S25 Ultra come with a higher price tag? While it's a possibility, Samsung is rumored to offer enticing pre-order deals, such as free storage upgrades, making it easier for users to justify the cost. When it comes to cameras, Samsung is pulling no punches. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a cutting-edge quad-camera setup, including a 200MP primary sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens, a 10MP periscope zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. This updated ultra-wide sensor is a game-changer, delivering vibrant landscapes and detailed close-ups, even in challenging lighting conditions. And with advanced AI integration rumored to come from a collaboration with OpenAI, the camera experience might include intelligent scene recognition, real-time adjustments, and even pro-level shooting guidance with minimal effort. Speaking of AI, Samsung is taking things to the next level with One UI 7.0, a software upgrade designed to elevate the smartphone experience. The interface is said to be smoother, with enhanced animations, improved multitasking, and extended battery efficiency. Reports suggest the inclusion of an AI assistant powered by ChatGPT's framework, potentially revolutionizing how users interact with their devices. Imagine a voice assistant that can handle tasks, generate ideas, and optimize your day-to-day workflow. If these rumors pan out, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be the smartest phone on the market. The phone's battery life and charging technology are also impressive. The reliable 5,000 mAh battery is paired with 45 GW fast wired charging and 15 GW fast wireless charging. This ensures that whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is always ready to keep up with your lifestyle. Durability has also been prioritized, with a titanium frame making the device lighter yet more robust, along with an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Pricing remains a hot topic. While no official figures have been released, early rumors suggest Samsung is aiming to stay competitive in the market, especially with strong competition for rival flagship brands. Add to this the rumored pre-order promotions, and early adopters might find themselves scoring incredible value for the price. So what's the final verdict? The Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to be a near-perfect fusion of innovation, design, and performance. From its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset to its cutting-edge cameras and futuristic AI features, this device is set to dominate 2025. Stay tuned as the official launch is just around the corner, and there's plenty more to uncover about this incredible smartphone.